Hello kids! Let's learn some colors. Red color, black color, dark blue color, orange color, dark green color, sky blue color, light green color, pink color, violet color, brown color, purple color, yellow color. Today we will learn some alphabets. Capital letters, small letters. A for avocado. A for ant. B for banana. B for blueberry. C for candy. C for cake. D for dog. D for doll. E for elephant. E for egg. F for fish. F for flowers. G for goat. G for grapes. H for horse. H for head. I for eyes. I for insect. J for juice. J for jam. K for kite. K for king. L for lollipop. L for lemon. M for mango. M for mother. N for nuts. N for nurse. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N. O for orange. O for ox. P for parrot. P for pen. Q for quill. Q for queen. R. R for rainbow. R. R for rose. S. S for sky. S. S for star. T. T for toy. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U. U for uniform. V. V for violin. V. V for van. W. W for watch. W. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zipper. Z. Z for zero. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.